there's a lot of finality with putting someone to death.
Mark Sievers' attorney speaking to Four in Your Corner about the state's decision to pursue the death penalty against his client. Sievers is one of 2 remaining men charged in the murder of his wife, Dr. Teresa Sievers. Both Mark Sievers and his alleged accomplice in the case, Jimmy Rogers, are facing capital punishment on first-degree murder charges. Four in Your Corner's Carl Fortier speaking with legal experts about the likelihood of convictions and the possible death sentences. Carl?
Well, attorney Mike Mummert says he wasn't surprised that the state wants to seek the death penalty against his client, but a former prosecutor says it's still all up to a jury.
This is something where if they're wrong, there's no coming back from that.
Attorney Mike Mummert represents Mark Sievers, who prosecutors say hired his best friend Curtis Wright and Jimmy Rogers to kill his wife for life insurance money. Mummert says the state has it wrong.
Why do you believe in his innocence?
I believe in his innocence because I've seen the evidence.
Mummert says while the state's decision to seek the death penalty against Sievers wasn't unexpected, the news was tough to relate.
It was very difficult for me to tell Mark. It was very difficult for him to receive the news.
Prosecutors will also seek the death penalty for alleged accomplice Jimmy Rogers.
It then depends upon the jury, which is a very, very difficult road to go down for first-degree murder.
Former prosecutor Joe D'Alessandro says the state wouldn't be seeking such a final punishment unless they felt confident.
You don't only do that unless you have a good sense that you can accomplish your goal. So I would probably say yes, they can do it.
But even if a jury delivers the ultimate verdict, he says a death sentence automatically goes to the state Supreme Court for appeal, and that could take years.
It takes a long time. It's a long process.
Today in court, Jimmy Rogers waived his right to a speedy trial. Curtis Wright is expected to serve 25 years in prison in exchange for pleading guilty to second-degree murder. Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.